Oh no, did you push the button? Now the alarm is ringing. Quick, like the video in 3 seconds to stop it. Phew, but wait. The button has also triggered the challenge machine. You have to complete the following challenges so the video won't explode. Let's begin. The first challenge is a simple: spot the odd one out. Can you guess the superhero from the logo? It was Batman. Pretty easy, right? The next challenge is a spot the difference. Find 3 differences in this image in 10 seconds. Comment below what they were. Can you solve this riddle? I am an odd number. Take away 1 letter and I become even. What number am I? The answer is 7. Here is another guess the superhero logo riddle. What superhero is this? It was Spider-Man. Can you guess the following countries by the emoji, starting with this one? The answer is Singapore. Turkey. Serbia. Now can you guess the food from the emojis? Pancake. Milkshake. Strawberry cheesecake. And now, can you spot the mistake in this image? Comment below what it was. Well done! You have completed all the challenges. If you want more content like this, then subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.